In 2001 Space Odyssey, HAL 9000 starts taking out unsuspecting astronauts in the spaceship. Nowadays we have computers that have won Jeopardy, Watson. We have computers that have learned to play video games, and we have robots that can move by themselves autonomously in the forest. And this has led people to be afraid of what we call AI, or artificial intelligence, including people like Elon Musk and Steve Hawking. I want to talk a little bit about what might be the real threat and promise, and what might be just imagination. Truly, a robot that can take people in the spot, recognize a target, and take it out is problematic, just as a drone strike is problematic, right? Even if there's a human controlling it with a joystick in a room, because it brings ethical questions about the justice of warfare and of practices. Can we take due process away from people? Is that just? However, Stephen Hawking gets a little closer to the real fear behind these statements. He says that creating AI would be the greatest achievement of human history. Unfortunately, it might also be its last. He says that humans that are slowed down by evolution, by biological evolution, could not compete and would be superseded by AI. So, wait a minute, Hawking. Philosophy and theology tell us differently. Humans are the only creatures that are endowed with spiritual powers of free will and intelligence. These are two sides of the same coin. Free will enables us to love something. In the best case, enables us to love God and neighbor and the world. Is what gives power to our life project. And the other side of the coin is our intellect. It enables us to know things as they really are. And by knowing, we can choose what is best for us. But what can computers do? Computers can do a lot of amazing things. They can process information at marvelous speeds. We have tons of data now. And so they can infer patterns, statistical models. But nonetheless, they cannot have a free will and intellect. We cannot endow it. Only God can do that. So, therefore, there will not be an AI as Hawking understands it. Sorry, HAL 9000 and Watson. It's not going to happen.